Hey everybody, it's Dr. Craig here with Evolve Chiropractic. So earlier this week, I had a patient come in who wanted to understand, or to better understand, some of the chronic pain that he was dealing with. And so I had to explain to him that injuries occur and they go through a healing process. And there's really 3 stages of healing that should happen in order to avoid pain, acute pain or acute injuries from becoming chronic injuries. And so when we have an injury, an acute injury, within the first 0 to 72 hours, there's a lot of inflammation. And that inflammation is responsible for coming in, taking out some of that damaged tissue to clean out that area. Now, after that, we get into the repair phase. The repair phase can last a couple of weeks, and it can last up to about 3 months or so, 8 to 12 weeks. In that process, the body is going to lay down scar tissue to improve and build upon that injured tissue. Now, when the body lays that down, it's laid down randomly. It's not like it lays it down in the perfect form or shape. It just says, hey, we're going to take what we can and just fix this. After that, the body needs to go through what we consider the remodel phase. That remodeling phase helps to create more tensile strength by essentially getting rid of this cross-stitch pattern. It starts to improve the tensile strength of muscle. So it builds muscle, makes that muscle stronger, so that way that injury doesn't become a chronic injury. Now, the biggest issue that most people have is that they do things that will either slow the repair phase or they don't spend enough time in that remodel phase, which in reality can take upwards of a year to actually improve. So if you are somebody that's out there that is dealing with chronic injury or chronic pain, it's probably because there were certain steps that were avoided or missed when you were going through that healing phase. So in order to change that, we need to try to create some extra motion and mobility, break down some of that scar tissue so that way we can rebuild and make things stronger. So do yourself a favor, come on in, we'll get it checked out, we'll get you feeling better, functioning better, living better. See you soon.